Hi everyone, welcome to the third video of the house price prediction video series. In the first video, we have discussed the basic requirements for the project and I have shown you the final project that we are going to build. In the second video, we have trained our linear regression model on the house prices dataset. And from this video onwards, we are going to work on the graphical user interface for our project. So here we are going to use the Django Python framework for creating the graphical user interface, and we are going to use PyCharm as an IDE. So make sure you have installed all the requirements before starting the project. And I have discussed the software requirements that are required for this project in the first video. In case you have not downloaded them, you can refer to that video. So let's get started with the graphical user interface. First, let me open PyCharm IDE. The link to download PyCharm is also available in the description below. You can take reference from there. Here you just have to go to create new project option. Here you have to specify the name and the location of the directory in which you want to store your project. So let's say I want to store it on the desktop, and let's name it as house price prediction. Also, you need to make sure that you have selected the correct Python interpreter. You have to select this existing interpreter, and here you have to give the path of the python.exe file, which is going to be present in the anaconda 3 folder in your system. So for me, the location was C users del anaconda 3 python exe, but it can vary from system to system. So make sure you specify the correct path over here, otherwise your Python code won't run. So now you can just click on this create button. Now just click on this terminal button, and here you have to write a simple command in order to start a project, and the command is Django admin start project and then the name of the project. So let's say our name is again house price prediction. Hit the enter button. It will take some time. Okay, the command has run successfully, and now here you can see that initially we were there in this folder house price prediction, and now when you click this, there is another folder which is automatically created inside it, and inside this there are further various Python files and other folders that are created by default. Now we want to access this manage.py file, and currently we are in this folder. So first let's move inside this folder so that we can access this manage.py file. Let me change the directory. Okay, now you need to write another simple command, that is python manage.py, then run server. Okay, so it has run successfully, and here you can see a URL. Just click on this. So now you will be directed to a link that will be opened in the web browser, and in case you're able to see this rocket type of thing here, it means that you have successfully started with your project. So this is basically the primary link where our website will be displayed. Now what we want is whenever this URL will be opened, then this should be the home page for our website. It means here, welcome to the house price prediction system should be displayed. So let's make the required changes in the code. Now first of all, you need to create another directory which will be named as templates inside this house price prediction. Right click on it new directory and name this as templates. Inside this templates, you need to create an HTML file. Let's name this as home. So this is the home page that should be displayed whenever this URL is opened. It means that in place of this Django page, your home.html page should be displayed. So let's make some changes in this page. Let's change the title to home. And inside the body, let's write welcome to the home page. Okay, so our home page is ready to display. Now we just need to make some changes in the urls.py file. Let's open this file. And here you need to add another path. So let's do it. Path. So this line basically means that when this URL will be opened, then the home function which is present in the views file should be executed. Until now we don't have any file called views, so first let's create it inside this house price prediction folder, new Python file, and let's name this as views. So it is empty for now, and here you need to import that file as well. So let's do it from dot import views. It means that from the current directory where we are in right now, that is in here, import the views.py file. So since we are calling this home function from views.py file, it means that we also need to create this home function inside this views.py file. So let's do it. Define home, and as an argument you have to pass request keyword. Now what we want is, whenever we are on this empty URL, it means when we are on this default URL, the home function of views.py file should be executed, and when that function is executed, this home.html page should be displayed. So here we can just write return render, then request. Now this request is basically a keyword, comma. Now the name of the HTML file. So here we want to open home.html. Now there is some error, unresolved reference to render. Now we need to import the file for this from Django dot shortcuts import render. Now this thing has been imported now, and the error has been resolved. So now we need to do some changes in the settings.py file. Let's open this and scroll down to templates. So here we need to write a few lines of code inside this braces. So let's do it. os.path.join inside the round bracket base dir, comma. Here you have to specify the name of this directory, that is templates. Okay, so it's now fine. Now let's refresh our web page and see whether the changes has been occurred there or not. Let's refresh this page. Okay, so here you can see that it is written welcome to the home page. It means that when we are on this default URL, then our home.html page is opened. So that's all about the basic settings that need to be done in this video. Now in the next video, we are basically going to design our home.html page, and after that we will design another page that will be predict.html, and then we will link our machine learning code that we have written in the previous video to this website. So see you in the next video.